Hi friends, you all must be wondering that why do we have to study math at all? Let's have a look at few of these instances. All of these may look very regular images, but there is one major thing connecting all of them. Can you think of what? Well, it's mathematics. For designing such big roller coasters, all the algebra comes from polynomials. For designing such big bridges, you need concepts from geometry like isosceles and equilateral triangles. And there's immense mathematics involved when you do a lot of daily life things like calculating the time to reach school on time, rechecking the amounts after discount and receiving proper change, calculating the amount in your piggy bank, and many more. Math can be really fun and interesting topic if you start relating it with real life and make use of it every day. Ever wondered that why in kindergarten we start with alphabets and numbers? Because these are the two most important languages to communicate. Math helps in sharpening the mind, helps you to stay focused, making calculations easy, helps in making the right decisions, etc. But why do people feel math is a difficult subject? One of the major reasons is that students don't understand math properly. Math is an abstract subject. Students cannot visualize it properly. In order to solve any math question, students need to picture it properly. This lack of visualization is one of the reasons why students are afraid of math. Then, there is a lack of interest or not taught in an interesting manner. Well, let's see what tips can help you to study math in an interesting way so that you can enjoy the subject and learn it for life. The first tip is try to understand everything logically instead of mugging it. As said before, math is an abstract subject. You need to visualize it properly to understand it. Hence, you should never mug up anything, whether it may be math or not. Try to understand the concept thoroughly, relate it to real life, and then try to also apply them in real life. While solving questions also, read and understand what exactly you need. Don't rush yourself in finding the answer. Hence, read the question at least 2 to 3 times before proceeding. While studying theorems, understand the statement of the theorem first. Extract what is given and what needs to be proved. Then understand all the steps that need to be followed and also all the reasons. In few cases where there is construction, crack the logic for the construction too. Master all the key concepts in a chapter and this will really help you to score the maximum marks on your exams. The next will be interrelate all the topics that you study. Now all the topics that you study in math are somewhere related to each other. All the basic theorems and concepts remain the same in mathematics and the entire math is based on these concepts only. Now many of the basics of triangles are also used in trigonometry too. Try to find these interrelations. This will help you to understand the concepts in a way better manner. Try to understand math in your language. Every student has a different approach to understand mathematics. Find your own way to approach math and eventually you will understand it in a better way. Like for example, in linear equations, there are a variety of word problems. Here, you need to understand how to convert these English statements in mathematical equations. For this, you can make a mathematical dictionary which can be helpful for you to go through. The fourth one will be study in groups and play math-based games. There might be topics that you understand better and few different topics that your friend may understand better. Help each other in studying the topics that you guys are good at. When you study in groups, you will develop a habit of self-learning, and if you get stuck somewhere and need help, then you can take the help of e-learning videos which are available online. You can watch our variety of videos based on concepts, problem solving, common math mistakes, math puzzles, etc. And when it comes to math puzzles, try to understand the logic behind the puzzle. This can help you to become a master in math puzzles, and these also acts an exercise to your brain. You can try to make some board games by your own, which can be based on math, or you can modify some of your normal board games with some mathematical twist. Maintain a separate book and a formula list. Well, this is a very common thing. Maintain a separate book for math. It will be easier for you to find where you have left. While studying math, whichever formula you feel are important, jot them down and make a chart. This will be really helpful and useful for you to go through them all at once during any test or exam. Well, here we have come up with the chart book for Maharashtra State Board and CBSE. To buy, please click on the card above. Number 6. Each problem has one solution, but there can be many ways to reach that solution. Solve every problem in such a way that you are completely thorough with it and understand it in every manner, so that if the same question is presented in any other twisted way, still you'll be able to answer it. Now, one of the most important steps to reach to an answer is understanding the question properly. The answer is always hidden somewhere in the question. Please read through the question thoroughly till you understand it perfectly. Don't get panicked with the length of the question even before reading it. Well, the second last tip is practice as much as you can and solve as many different types of problems you can. Math is not a theoretical subject, so practicing math is really very important. And the last one is review all your errors. If you get stuck anywhere or realize that you have made a mistake, take some time to understand that why you made that mistake. Review your errors and make sure you do not repeat them. Also, understand your doubts. This will help you in understanding math in a better way. I hope this video was helpful and will make math a little easier to study. If you guys have any doubt or any more such amazing tips, do comment below this video. Do like this video and hit the bell icon and never miss another update from LETSTUTE. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.